Hi, I'm Jamie. I'm the Director of Curriculum and Instruction at Galileo. I'm here in our tinkering studio where we work to create all the STEAM projects to engage your camper all summer long. Each day, your camper will have 3 rotations, specially designed to foster innovation and creativity. Here's a sneak peek at some of the exciting things your camper will be doing this week in each one. In Innovator Studio, campers build creative confidence, turning their ideas into polished take-home projects. This week, Nebulas throw an amusement park party. One attraction they'll build is a concession kit to bring sweet treats to park guests. They'll paint textured popcorn and cotton candy, craft custom-dyed clay into hand-twisted whirly pops, and wrap it all up in a wearable box. Throughout the multi-day project, they'll practice being determined by focusing on each piece until they're ready to serve the crowd. In Idea Lab, campers will work collaboratively on daily design challenges. This week, your camper and their partner become earthquake engineers, building the tallest, most seismically sound tower they can from toothpicks and foam cubes. As they build, they'll explore how a wider base gives more stability and weigh the benefits of using their limited materials to reinforce the foundation or add to the height. They'll practice being reflective by studying where their tower fails after each tremor and deciding together how to rebuild stronger. In an outdoor adventure, campers play exciting games, take on team-building challenges, and engage in traditional camp fun. This week, they'll play games like dance tag, where tagged players boogie in place until 2 teammates surround them and do the wave. They'll practice being visionary by inventing a new move every time they're tagged. We can't wait for your camper to experience these activities along with the rest of the awesome projects this week. And remember, at Camp Galileo, kids take home more than just the projects. They take home the creative confidence and problem-solving skills they need to thrive.